Welcome to my channel everyone. In today's video I'm going to share with you 20 Android apps I absolutely can't live without. These apps have been game changers for productivity, entertainment and daily life. So let's dive right in. First up is a Nova Launcher. It is my go-to for customizing the home screen. The flexibility it offers is unmatched. From icon packs to gestures, it's a must-have. Now, next one we have is Google Keep. Google Keep is essential for note taking and reminders. It syncs across all devices and allows for easy organization with labels and colors. Next up, I have Pocket Cast. For all my podcast lovers, Pocket Cast is the best app out there. The interface is clean and it has features like dream silence and variable speed playback. Next up is Spotify. Like, who can live without music? Spotify is my favorite music streaming app. It's got all the latest tracks, great playlists, and even podcast. For project management, Trello is fantastic. The visual boards, lists, and cards make it super easy to keep track of everything. Keeping track of passwords is a breeze with LastPass. It securely stores all your passwords and auto fills them for you. Next up, we have Microsoft Office. The Microsoft Office suite on mobile is just as powerful as its desktop counterpart, perfect for editing documents, spreadsheets, and presentations on the go. Adobe Lightroom. For photo editing, Adobe Lightroom is unbeatable. The app offers professional level tools to make your photo look stunning. Next is Google Maps. Navigation is easy with Google Maps. It's reliable, accurate, and even provides real time traffic updates. Next up, I have Cam Scanner. Cam Scanner turns your phone into a portable scanner. It's great for scanning documents, receipts, and more with excellent clarity. Next up, I got a Duolingo. Learning a new language. Duolingo makes it fun and easy with bite sized lessons and interactive exercises. Next up, I have TickTick. TickTick is a fantastic to do list and task manager. It's perfect for keeping your daily tasks organized and ensuring you never miss a deadline. For staying updated with the latest trends and discussions, Reddit is my go to app. You can join communities that match your interests and engage in conversations. Next up, I got Kindle. Reading on the go is made easy with the Kindle app. It syncs with your Amazon account and lets you access all your ebooks. Dropbox is crucial for file storage and sharing. It's reliable and ensures that all my important files are always accessible. For managing finances, Mint is the best. It helps to track your spending, create budgets, and see all your accounts in one place. For relaxation and mindfulness, Calm is amazing. It offers guided meditations, sleep stories, and breathing exercises. IFTTT, or if this then that, allows you to automate tasks between different apps and devices. It's a huge time saver. Shazam. Ever hear a song you love but don't know the name? Shazam will identify it for you in seconds. It's super handy. And last but not the least, we have Snapseed, another great photo editing app. It's user friendly and offers a wide range of editing tools and features. Those are my top 20 Android apps I can't live without in 2024. I hope you found some new apps to try out. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.